Hey guys, you can feel the temperature dropping. Ivy went out for a ride today. We went to Harbor Freight. She handled it very, very well. Enjoyed, Greg was driving. She enjoyed being in my arms and looking at all the traffic and the weather, or not the weather, all the traffic and the cars. And then we went into Harbor Freight and she got greeted by several people. She got giggled at, picked up. That's Twinkie and Pumpkin and Ivy. And over here with the bone is the Telly Monster. Doing his thing. Telly Monster! Look at the size of that bone. Oh, Lord. And the girls. Ivy is the one with the dark ears. You can tell she's so tired. She fell asleep on the way home. But everybody should be. No, it's okay. It's okay. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee poopies. Yay. Hurry up. Hurry up. Good girl, Pumpkin. Hurry up. Hurry up. Pee-pee poopies. Look at that walk. Look at that walk. Hey, stop it. It's okay. And there she goes. Remember, low it's pee, high it's poop. There you go. Hey, what's the woo-woos? What's the woo-woo sounds? There's woo-woo sounds. And that's a high one. So now she went from a pee to a poop. Yeah, what's the sounds? What's the sounds? What's going on, Nick? What's going on? Go down and Telly. I know you didn't go in. Not big enough to use the doggy door. Oh, you're going to pee-pee up there? Okay, we won't say anything to anybody. But see, his butt's high in the air. We do not... Niki! Ew! Ew! No, Niki. No! No! Ew! And we got to check because she should have been done by now. She might have something stuck to her butt. Lulu, stop it. Lulu, stop it. You're an agitator. You're an agitator. Okay, gotta go, guys, because she's still hunched over. Bye.